Hello, this next video is going to be showing you a little bit about SchoolTube. Um, when I look for videos for my classroom, it's sometimes hard if I'm just on YouTube to filter out content that isn't safe or appropriate for students. And so it is really, so SchoolTube, the purpose of it is that it's safe and it is a restricted um, site that it allows only educational content in it. So the intended audience could either be teachers or students. ISTE standards that are covered are 3.1.A, ensuring that all students have skilled teachers who actively use technology to meet student needs. 3.1.D, cultivate responsible online behavior, including safe and ethical and legal use of technology. So I really see SchoolTube as really a YouTube. So you don't actually have to have an account to watch any videos or show any videos to students. I can type in pretty much anything that I want up here. So if we're learning about planets, I could search planets and tons of videos appear that obviously you would still have to look that they are appropriate for your grade level. You can even see here that they have, like, teachers have uploaded lesson plans. So not only could these be used as a resource for students, but like kind of getting ideas from other educators as to how you could teach a particular subject. So that is one way that people use this site. But there are all of these also how-to tutorials. So like YouTube, you can upload videos, teachers can, and students, and you can submit your videos through a channel, just like YouTube. And up here where it says add new, you can media upload, express capture, YouTube, so you can upload your YouTube video, but I believe that it would remove anything that was inappropriate. You can also just screen and audio record, and you can also make quizzes for videos that students watch, which I really like that. That's obviously not something that YouTube has, so that's nice that SchoolTube you're able to make it more interactive after watching the video. So I see this as being a very helpful tool for finding videos to kind of enhance what a student is learning for their content, and also being able to get ideas as an educator for different lesson plans and how to teach something.